Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little dip in the roofing right here. I'm getting ready to roof this because we don't want an incident like we had last year. I don't know if you recall, but anyway, I'll put a clip in here for you.
Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, I hate going out in the storm, but if you really hold me.
I've been beefing this up. They had some 1x strapping in here that I put 2x4s in because that's going to be my nailers for my sheetrock. And then I put this 2x12 in, and then I ran boards up to the roof line and jacked it up, moving it, getting that roof line just a little bit flat. It's not perfect, obviously. It's a 1929 house. See, this is all they had in the original roof. That's a good 15, 20 feet on a 2x4. That's not sufficient. And like I said, they had these 1x boards, just random. I took these down, but there was a couple here. So anyway, 2x12s. And then 2x4s up to hold it up. Haven't been doing anything with the rest of the house. Oh, and there's another beam here. Spans this wall to help carry the weight. I'll show you another. I think I have another picture where I show I could put 2 fingers underneath that 2x12 to the ceiling joist on the other room. I got the board in here, and as you can see, it's on the outside exterior wall, and then I have it over here where my original. And then if you look right here, I can stick 2 fingers under here. Yep, that's why I am. And now it's all been raised up, and you can crawl on that with no big deal now. But that's why I've stopped. I want to get that roof on. Of course, I'm near complete. I was thought about doing it this weekend, and it's going to be windy, and then Tuesday and Wednesday is supposed to be rain. And then I have to move this door over to here into the hallway. Take this one out, move this door over, because then this becomes a closet. And then there's going to be a closet over here, a hall closet. So basically you come into this bedroom through here. And then I got a double window I'm going to put here. So it'll be 2 windows, one here, one there.